Welcome to Rooty TV. Today we're going to have fun in the woods here by making some Jus Rol cinnamon swirls out here in the woods over an open fire using this Petromax FD 4.5 Dutch oven. As you can see, I've already got it ready. Woo! I put some baking parchment in there and greased it very liberally with butter. Now all we've got to do is cut those rolls up and get cooking. Next video is going to be homemade cinnamon buns, Swedish style. Subscribe if you want to see.